everyone, I'm Anya from Anya Photo. I've been doing photography for almost 20 years, which sounds Jurassic, and I can't believe it sometimes. I have my clients turn up, which I photograph as teenagers. They're now coming back with their newborns. This is how it's going. So I'm looking to switch things a little bit. I'm jumping on the video adventure, so it's a big learning curve. I've been trying to tackle video learning for years. Honestly, I've been picking up and dropping, picking up and dropping. Why? Because it was quite difficult for me to learn. I'm not going to lie, I've been sitting on YouTube scrolling, looking for videos, things like that, for a really long time. Trial and error. And just recently I had a massive breakthrough. I've been taking course by Jordan. I'll leave your link below, and it's been a game changer. It has opened my eyes so much. Like, how never told me, no one ever told me, I never learned from anywhere that ISO is supposed to be that as a default. It's just, no one talks about it. Did you know that ISO is supposed to be 800 on a video as a default? Like in photography we have it on 100, but no, crazy. So lots of learning, lots of little light bulbs. And yes, here I am. So I've been also studying, maybe that's too big of a word, but I've been taking courses on branding, on marketing. So I already managed to bring myself up with SEO, my website, which is I'm very proud of. It was such a learning curve, and little step by step, I went up the ranks, which is fantastic. Now I'm looking to kind of do more of a visual storytelling for companies, because I've been doing photography for brands, for businesses, and now it's time to bring it up a notch with video content. So if you want to join my journey and watch what I'm doing, please subscribe to this channel. But this is the video I'm creating because why? Because you have to practice. So this is practice of me talking. I got my gimbal on a little tripod. I could have just used tripod, but I already had it on gimbal. Connected my professional microphone, which is a Ceremonic radio 1-2 connected to camera. Fantastic, something I bought years ago with one of my video trying learning journey. And yeah, so next thing I'll be looking in is lighting. I'll be looking if I can use video lighting. The other thing I'm going to do is finding a smooth transition during family photo shoots outdoors. If I can quickly switch to little snippets. I tried that in the past, but it was very clunky and I wasn't happy with the outcome. I think I had my settings wrong as well. So now I have more confidence with that, and I'll be creating those beautiful video / picture kind of slideshow in the end. And also I'll be learning how to edit so the pictures, photographs are matching beautifully videos within one kind of slideshow, so they don't look like completely different editing style. So that's on my list to learn. Also I have my gimbal DJI Ronin Mini free, I think it's free, 3 or 4, I can't remember now. It's also new. So this is my new toy, and oh my gosh, guys, it's been such a learning curve. Even just to balance it out, it took me 2 days just to balance my camera on it. But once you have it on and once you start using it, it is very heavy on the arms still. It is mini version, but honestly it is heavy, so I'm gonna have to do more workouts for my shoulders and arms and biceps. So yeah, it's exciting. I'll be doing some promo shoots as well, so I'll be talking to different businesses and doing promoting side of it. I'll be using my marketing skills to market myself as a video creator, as a branding storyteller. I'm going to have to create special kind of templates for people to use when they talk to me. And I have to tell them, right, tell me about your business, so we can really pinpoint what they need, what their branding should look like, if they have any brief, or do we create everything from scratch? So there's so much to put together and I'm really excited. So join me on this journey if you like, and I'll see you soon.